To make a lemon soda, we'll take ice, sugar, mint, salt, empty glass, lemon, squeezer, lemon slice, frother, soda bottle and some water. Add 2 tablespoons sugar in empty glass, then add some water, then use frother to mix well. And transfer it to another glass. Now take lemon in lemon squeezer, put it like this and press it. Now add some mint leaf. I will take 4. Add sugar syrup and stir well. Add salt as per your taste. Stir again. Add ice cube. Add some water. Now open the soda bottle and put it in the glass. Add the lemon slice. And yes, our soda is ready.